If you're keto, if you love pizza and you love a thin crust, you want to stick around and check out this recipe. Welcome to the Keto Baking Mechanic, where we create, tweak, and enhance keto and low-carb breads and baked goods, including authentic keto and low-carb sourdough. Hi, I'm Sherry Mack. You'll always get the recipe link in the description. Be sure to like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can be informed when I have other videos coming down the pike. You can use any protein you like in this recipe. I used slices of steak. Get the oldest cheddar you have and shred it yourself. It tastes the best. Okay, the only thing to keep in mind about this recipe is choosing the right tortilla. So I have a tortilla. I don't care about the brand. I like this one because when you touch them inside the plastic, you can feel it and it's thick. You want a thicker one. It's still super low carb, but it's thicker in texture. And that means that when you put it in the fry pan, it will stiffen and hold the ingredients. It'll have what they refer to as a good undercarriage. And you can do this recipe so fast, simple, and easy just by using these tortillas. So I also love, for sandwiches and wraps, this gluten-free keto tortilla. But if you feel it inside the plastic wrap, it's very, very thin. It's like paper thin, which is great for folding over for sandwiches under the panini press and so forth, but it's not so good for a pizza crust. So I don't know if it has to do with the fact that this is wheat-based, but just check the thickness and make sure it's a thicker tortilla, and use your thinner tortillas for your sandwiches. If you want to cut calories, just pan fry the tortillas in a dry fry pan, or use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Heat the olive oil before you put in the tortilla, and make sure you coat both sides of the tortilla in oil, and you're just going to pan fry it on one side. This video is brought to you by Sinless Sourdough, where H&R meets low-carb science. I'm the creator of Sinless Sourdough. I developed a line of keto, low-carb, dehydrated sourdough starters that have been third-party, independently tested for their authenticity. When you purchase a starter, you get a starter guide that teaches you how to bring your starter to life, as well as a whole bunch of sourdough discard recipes that I also feature on this channel. You can also invest in a membership if you'd like to take your keto sourdough journey further and learn more fermentation techniques and learn about 3 different styles of keto sourdough. It's all in the description in the Sinless Sourdough link. Okay, once one side of the tortilla is pan fried or golden in color, you want to set it on your work surface with the pan fried side up and coat it in your favorite guacamole, and then top that with some fresh salsa. Make sure that you get all the water out of the salsa, and then top the salsa with your shredded cheddar. You want to use as much as you like, and then you're going to top the cheddar with your favorite protein. I used chopped steak, and then put it back into the frying pan and cover it with the lid. So while this side of the tortilla is toasting, you're also melting the cheddar. The whole process should not take more than 10 minutes. You can have a delicious pizza, thin crust pizza, in 10 minutes. When it's done, just set it on your work surface. You want to work fast so that it's still hot, and top it with your favorite cold toppings. I like to use some jalapeno or some hot chili paste, and then I smother it in my buffalo ranch sauce. Remember to count those calories as well, and then add some freshly grated cilantro or some basil, and then cut it into pieces. You can enjoy 1 piece, 2 piece, or even the whole pizza is very, very low in net carbs.